Recently, I made 100 cartoon people to represent 100 points of time in history. So they can be narrators talking about a stretch of history that they are representing. I've made an array that uses the bald history person. They run from person 00 to 99. Um, and then they've got special hairstyles and hairstyle coloring. This code is a particular color. It's called a hex color code. You use it in computing. And I've also got the full text description of the hairstyle. I want AI to add this particular hairstyle to this bald person and to color the hair this color. I need the text description because these AIs are so creative that they ignore the hairstyle I give unless I use a text description as well. I have been using vibe coding to make a program that will put the images into ChatGPT and start running the prompt, but then I manually save the output. I'm just fixing the program actually. Go back into my browser, grab this newer code, go back to here, clear the bottom bit. It gives me the status of things, run the program, and then make sure that I can easily get into ChatGPT when the time comes. Run the program, type in the history person 00. I'll just say 0. And then I've got a little bit of time to get into ChatGPT. And now these are automatic key presses. So I'm not typing anything. It's put the appropriate bald person. And now it's getting the appropriate hairstyle. And now it's putting in that very wordy prompt that has not very well typed text prompt. But AI is very good at working out my typos, so I think this should work fine. And I have to do this exercise for all 100 people. So the image generated is here. I can download it and rename the file as my history 00 person. And then back at the program, it's prompting me again for what I want to do next. I need to do a small fix because the next time it runs, Ctrl+Shift and 0 need to happen to get the entry point prompt onto the screen. So Ctrl+Shift 0, I need to do that as code. It's now doing history person 1, so it's applying this hairstyle to that person using this wordy prompt. And that's quite good what it's done. It's a quiff, but it's asymmetrical. It kind of drifts down on the person's left-hand side, or for me as a viewer, on the right-hand side. Again, just download the file, then rename it. So we've got history 00 person, and we've got history 01 person. You might be wondering why I'm using ChatGPT to do this exercise, since I've been using Gemini and Nana Banana mainly for generative AI art. And the reason is that at the present time, Nana Banana doesn't apply hair very well. At least not the way I make prompts. It doesn't. So, for instance, with this quiff hairstyle, it will create a quiff, but it will be a very cartoony quiff. And with hairstyles in general, it tends to add a wildness to them. And even if I tell it to be pixel perfect, it just behaves too creatively. Whereas ChatGPT, it, even though I prefer Nana Banana for other things, or have done so far, ChatGPT's art is very rigid. It does follow the prompt. And if it doesn't, then I just download what it has done, which is almost perfect, and I edit it in paint.net, which is an image editor. And it does look flaky because of my rough editing. But then I upload that to ChatGPT and I tell it to make it a little more photorealistic. Um, and then it does become the image that I want.